Today is a 13 First Alert weather day as we continue to track an increased risk for severe weather this afternoon through the early half of this evening. All hazards will be possible, including damaging straight line winds, large to very large hail, and we are even tracking the possibility of a few tornadoes, a couple of which may be on the strong side. So it is going to be very important that you are staying weather aware. Make sure you have multiple ways to receive those weather warnings. Of course, you can always download our free 13 First Alert weather app, and we are going to continue to provide you updates throughout the day on air, online, and on our WEAU social media platforms.